Hi, welcome back to How to Fertilize Your Budget. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial today on the MyPoints monthly goal. I did a MyPoints video before. They've made a little changes since then. And also, I didn't actually go through how to set up your monthly goal. So, I want to show you how to set it up. I want to show you how to look at what you accomplished last month. And also, I want to show you how to check your progress so you can see if you're going to make your goal. So, I already have MyPoints open here. Minimize this so you can see. If you go over to the side here, now if you have it full screen, then it'll have a menu across the top. It'll be the same menu that you're going to see over here. If I hit the three tabs and scroll down, there's a more button. So when you click that more button, one of the options is monthly goal. So I want to bring up my monthly goal here, and I may have to reposition that and see. Now, what they want you to do here is to set how many do you think you can make or complete in a month's time. Now, before I set my goal, I want to go back and see. If you see here across the top in this gray area, it says see past goals. I'm going to go back and look at April. So what did I accomplish in April? In April, I had my goal set at number of daily 5 lists to complete at 20. I completed 30. Now, I'm not going to set my goal at 30 because some days it's difficult to hit that daily 5 completion. We talked about the daily 5 before. It was this tab over here that you click on. It gives you a list of things to do. There's like 7 options and you need to complete 5 of those. Some of them are very difficult to complete in a day. So I usually set mine at 20. I'm going to set it back at 20 this month as well. Now, number of surveys completed. I completed 25 surveys last month. My goal was 18. Since your surveys vary from month to month, I'm going to leave mine at 18. That seems like a good thing to me. Video playlist. My goal was 100. I made 118. But let me tell you about the video playlist. These are the videos that you play from a mobile device. And they're sometimes very limited on what they allow you to do. You'll get a notice that you have reached today's maximum playlist. So don't set that number too high. There is nothing you can do to make up for those playlists if they don't offer them to you. Now, I had it set for 100. I made 118. But I noticed this morning when I ran my playlist that it only ran for about 30 minutes before I got that notice, and I usually get a good hour out of it. So I'm going to actually cut that back a little bit. I'm afraid I won't make it. Number of Encrave playlists completed. My goal was 100. I made 2232. This is what you play from a laptop, desktop, stationary device. That is, you click on Encrave. It'll give you a page. I believe I've showed you this before, but I can go back and show you that again. But it's going to give you a page and let you choose from the different videos. And when you click on that video, it comes up and it auto advances and goes through those videos. Now, I can set this number higher than 100, closer to what I'm actually getting out of it, but I have seen them run out of videos, and we went for more than a week without videos. So I don't want to set it too high. And also, I noticed that it does not change what your monthly bonus is just because you're doing more of those Encrave. It's, I guess, basically just doing the Encrave is what gives you the points. So I'm going to leave that at 100. Next, I have number of grocery coupons printed. There's again a tab to go to take you to the grocery coupons. Pick out the ones that you want to use. Print them. You get points when you print them. You also get points when you redeem them. So if you take those to the store and use them, you make a little bit of money for that. Rewards redeemed from MyPoints this month. Well, I set a goal of redeeming once. I actually redeemed twice, so I met that goal. And then my gift card plus gift card transaction, I don't set a goal for doing those because I don't tend to buy gift cards. Now, I'm not saying that's a bad idea. If you're going to be spending money at the stores those gift cards are available to, you get points for buying the gift cards. You get points for using the gift cards. So that's a way to make a little extra money off of it. So I just myself don't usually do that. And then down here, I earned 415 bonus points for completing my goal. It says if you meet your goal, you will receive this many points. You have from the first day of the month until the last day of the month to complete those goals. And when you complete them, up here where it says see past goals, it'll say redeem my points or collect my bonus points. So there you have it. That is how you view your last goal. I'm going to go up here. Oh, I don't want the block. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to set it for May and set my goals today. My goal today is I'm going to say 20 daily list. Surveys, I'm going to leave it 18. Videos, I'm going to set that to 75 because I don't think they're going to have that many this month. I'm going to leave the Encrave at 100. I don't usually do the grocery coupons, and I'm going to hopefully redeem. I'm going to set the redemption at 1. I don't believe it changes the amount, so that sets me at 415. Let's set it for 2 and see what happens. Calculate. It's still 415. So I'm going to leave it at 1 because if it doesn't make any difference on how much of a bonus I get, then I don't see the point of raising it and having to make sure that I redeem more than once. Hopefully I will redeem more than once, but that's okay. Now, once I get that in there, then I'm going to click submit my goals at the bottom of the page here. And so now that is my goal for May. Real quickly, I'm going to go over here and show you, in case I didn't before, where the Encrave videos are. So if you click on the three tabs there, or if it's across your top, click on videos. It says videos, Encrave, or sponsored events. Just click on Encrave, and it takes it a few minutes. Don't get in a hurry, but it'll populate with that what's available. See those come up here. I usually just click on the first one there, and it'll go to a page. I have that running on another computer, so I don't want to do that now. But that is where I get the Encrave. Encrave is also one of them in this daily 5 list. So I run my Encrave every day towards my monthly bonus and towards my daily 5. When you complete 5 of these, you get 5-point bonus for the day. That is all there is to it. If you want to check your progress during the month to see where you're at, just go back to that same monthly goal page, and it'll tell you what you've done. Now, see here, I've done some playlists today. I've done 4 playlists today, and I ran out. So I don't want to do any more than that. I have not completed anything else today because today is May 1, and this is when I first got on it. So if you have any questions, as always, email me at learntodosurveys@gmail.com. If you enjoy the videos, be sure to subscribe to the page. Come back, see what we have again. Thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you again.